Hello Dan! Sobrang miss ka na namin. Happy birthday din pala. And grabe tuwang-tuwa ako kasi ang layo na nung narating mo. Alala mo nung law school, umalis ka sa law school tapos sabi mo hindi mo alam kung ano yung gagawin mo pa. But here you are exploring other things and you're doing great at it. Sobrang miss ka na namin and sana jam tayo next time.
2, 3, go.
Happy birthday, Dan! Kaya naman na lang ang Rolex, inom tayo.
Alright. Yo, happy birthday, Dan. Painom na.
Yun, happy birthday, Dad. Sana di ka na magparambog-ambog tayo, mapapamaol talaga kay Dio. Yun lang.
Sagun mo dyan, ano? Happy birthday po sa my birthday. Your birthday to come.
Happy birthday. Sana dumami pa ang babae mo.
Dan, ang wish ko sa mo, Dan, sana Dan maging tultol kang tropa sa mo. Sana mawara tong habit mo na nag-ano ka, nagsisingil ka sa mga tinabang mo. Tanggalan mo to, Dan. Yeah, susumba. Tanggalan mo yan, Dan. Yun lang.
Dan, birthday ni Dan.
Happy birthday, Dan!
Partners, birthday ni Dan. Sabihin niya muna. Dan, happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Love you.
Happy birthday, Sir Dan. Ito para sa'yo. Mula ka sa Tagay. Itagay natin yan.
Happy birthday, Dan! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo. Happy birthday, Dan! Mabuhay ka hanggang gusto mo.
Happy birthday to Dan. Happy birthday to Dan. Happy birthday, dear Dan. Happy birthday to you. Boo, boo, boo. You know it. Dan. Dan the man. All right. Boo, boo, boo.
Happy birthday to Dan. A very happy birthday to Dan. Happy birthday. A very happy birthday to Dan. Love you, Dan. Love you. Love you, Dan.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. God bless. Gcash mo na yan.
Para sa nagdiriwang ng kanilang kaarawan, happy birthday! Ang bati ko, ang bati namin sa iyo. Nawa ay lumigaya ka pa. At abutin mo pa sana ang maraming kaarawan. Sino pang may birthday dyan at akin ding hahandugan?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And the sun burning tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And the sun burns tonight. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Daniel.
Happy birthday, Daniel.
Big Jiggly Boy.
Big Jiggly Boy.
Mwah.
Hey.
I'm sexy and I know it. I'm sexy and I know it. Yeah. cheese. Inside this top, yeah. To the bar, baby, don't be nervous. No shoes, no shirt, and I still get service. Wow.
Happy birthday. This is Angelique Kang, your Viva artist. Enjoy your day and more auras to come. Ayan. God bless you and hope to meet you soon. Hi, it's Ayana Misola. Happy birthday. I-enjoy mo lang yung araw mo and more birthdays to come. Sana invite mo ako next time. Ayan. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday! Ba't parang nakasimangot ka? Huwag ka na malungkot. Hindi ka ba pinansin ng crush mo? Hayaan mo, ako na lang mamamansin sa'yo. Ayan, may regalo nga pala ako para sa'yo. Ako na rin magbubukas kasi alam ko naman, malungkot ka pa. So, ayaw ka tang pahirapan. Open ko na ha. Happy birthday! Huwag ka na malungkot ha. Deserve mo maging masaya ngayon. Araw mo to. Happy birthday! Happy birthday sa'yo. Hi!
I would like to greet you a very happy birthday. I would like to thank you for your support you have given to me and this administration. I am forever grateful. Enjoy this day with your family and loved ones, and may you live for 1,000 years. Happy birthday.
I would like to greet you a happy birthday and I wish you the best of everything. Sorry, I'm not the speaker straight, but I'm just adjusting. What's it, friends, huh? What do you want? I will give you this, and everything. This is I'm so rich, my nigga. Happy birthday. Live what you want and want what you live. Thank you, sir. I love you, brother. I love you, and I know you love me. Peace out, man. I would like.
Happy birthday, kids. See you soon. God bless. Enjoy your day.
Happy birthday, Dan. And miss ko na kayo. I hope to see you soon.
Shoutout kay Daniel Amparo. Happy birthday, Dan. Punta daw kami dyan mamaya.
Boss Dan, happy birthday. Sana umaba pa yung buhay mo. Pero kung didikit ka sa 3 itlog na yan, hindi hahaba ang buhay mo. Diyan kay Kyle, kay Jundev, kay Morris. Kaya Boss Dan, iwasan mo na yung 3 na yan para humaba talaga yung buhay mo. Ito mo, nasample lang ka na. Lugaw pa lang yun ha, lugaw pa lang. So happy birthday ulit, Boss Dan. God bless always.
Hello kuya, happy birthday. God bless sa'yo. And prayers ko lang na naway makilala mo si Lord and magbunga yon and magkaroon ng fruit of the Holy Spirit. Tatawa ako kasi di ko talaga alam kung sasabihin ko sa'yo, pero prayers ko din na lagi kang kumalma, huwag kang nakamangot, and sana sa may mga time na hindi mo maano yung sarili mo, makalma yung sarili mo, piliin mo kasi minsan kasi nag-i-impact yan, and sana hindi ka na lagi nakabusangot tsaka bugnutin, diba? Yun lang, and be healthy lang, tsaka lagi nung tayo magkasama dito sa bahay. So thank you din sa pag mamahal mo sa amin ni Josar at tsaka kay Bella.
And I'm always praying lang na maging masagana ang buhay mo after ng mga ng mga nararamdaman mo ngayon. And I hope and I pray that in time, in God's goodness, makilala mo din siya. I will be a salt and light here in our house hanggang sa dumating ang araw na magkaroon ng fruit yung pagkakakilanlan mo sa kanya. And always pray din. And yun lang. Babu, God bless you.